Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Cody and Barrett with your business updates for today. The easiest part of owning a car may be buying it. The harder part is keeping it. And with vehicle repossessions a concern, if you're thinking about buying a car, there are a few things you need to consider before you sign that loan agreement. First, don't just calculate the monthly payment. The loan is only one part of the cost. You also need to budget for insurance, fuel, licensing, maintenance, repairs, and unexpected expenses. According to Senior Branch Sales Officer at First Heritage Cooperative Credit Union, Audrey Hawthorne Brown, the primary reason for repossessions at FHC is the inability to maintain regular loan repayments. Then there is the cost of maintaining the vehicle. Parts availability, repair costs, and how the vehicle will be used are all factors that can affect the real cost of ownership. Business Bites spoke with Sean McDonald, Managing Director of Extreme Autosound and Electronics, who pointed out that given the condition of Jamaican roadways, front-end suspension and tires are likely to be among the more common maintenance expenses. As such, parts availability should be one of the first things buyers investigate, particularly for body parts and lights. He also encouraged prospective buyers to consider how they actually intend to use the vehicle. Fuel efficiency matters, but it should not be the only consideration. For someone mainly driving to and from work, fuel economy may be a priority, while for someone regularly traveling across the island, factors such as performance and reliability may carry more weight. His final recommendation for buyers considering a used vehicle was to have it inspected by a qualified mechanic. A mechanic can identify problems that may not be obvious to the average buyer and give them a better understanding of what they may be taking on before making the purchase. But don't leave insurance until the end. It is also another cost that can vary significantly depending on the vehicle and the coverage selected. The advice from GK General Insurance is to get an insurance quote before you buy the vehicle. Two cars with similar price tags can have very different insurance costs, and choosing the cheapest policy without understanding the coverage could leave you paying more after an accident or theft. So before you get excited about the car, calculate the cost of owning it, because getting approved for the loan is one thing, being able to afford the car for the life of the loan is another. And that's it for the Business Bites today. I'm Cody and Barrett.